Hello. Today we have another wonderful opportunity to show you some of the versatility of Secure Set, both in the mix and pour and also in the spray foam application. David, the homeowner, basically has had an issue with the pool. So David, tell us what's happened.
We had a bulge in the fiberglass pool and it breached the water and sand poured into my pool. So originally I got an estimate for $18,000 for someone to come out and repair it.
What caused the bulge initially?
Water. I had a water leak in the return. So we had to go in and fix the plumbing and then repair the fiberglass.
So the water saturated the soil and basically put sort of significant pressure, inward pressure onto the wall of the pool?
And I had lowered the level of the pool, which added to the problem.
Right, okay.
So I didn't have pressure on the inside of the pool. We rented a mini excavator and decided to tackle that piece of it ourselves. We dug an area out, actually originally a little larger than this. It's about 11 feet to the concrete and about another 5 feet underneath there, about 4 feet deep, and right now about 12 inches wide. We repaired it, backfilled it, and
backfilled it with soil.
And then we had another issue with it starting to bulge again because of water seeping in. We hadn't put the concrete in yet. And so I dug it out by hand this time to what you see right now. And we went in and repaired the plumbing issue here again. And I had kept it dry by covering it in tarps. So where we are right now is I have the repair finished, the plumbing finished. I don't want to backfill it with dirt again. I don't want the same problem. So hence my call to GRA Services.
Right, this is going to be a really neat project. Today, this is how we're going to tackle this problem. We have a large void here. We're going to use several mix and pour kits. We have some 5-gallon kits. We're going to pour it literally along the base, let it rise up, and we will then be able to determine how much we need to top it off. Once we finish that, we are then going to probe, as we've done in the past, with the spray foam kit, and we're going to fill everything underneath that concrete slab out to level right under the slab, and anything else we have left over, we'll top it off with some more pour foam. So let's get to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the kits over. We're going to get them prepared. I'm going to change into my work shirt, and we'll start the project. Yeah. Okay, it's expanding. All right, there we go. We'll just pour it in here like this.
Would it be easier for me to...
We can do partials if we need to.
Very nice.
Got it? Walk this way a little bit. And up over here. What we're going to do, you're going to pour it just there and then move to about here.
Okay.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so we're going to.
We'll do a small one and fill.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Pour this, you want me to?
Oh, you can do it. We'll work this way. Spin it off. Oh man, that is about as perfect as you're gonna get. That's perfect for the spray foam.
Looks like it got in there and filled that void
It did.
down there.
Yeah, but we get that probe, we can go all the way back. Well, the project is going really well. It's actually been really fun. So we've mixed up the Secure Set mix and pour kits, and we're sequentially filling this void right here. But now we're going to use the spray foam kit to get deep underneath this concrete. We have about 5 feet of void that narrows down to a pinch point back here. So we're going to set up the kit as you've seen in the other videos, and then we'll get to spraying the foam. Mixers. The supply of extensions. Those there. Okay. Feed these through the slots. So we're going to turn on the valves. And as we've done in the past, we're going to do a test shot, make sure that everything goes well. Attach the static mixer. Remember, release the safety. And do your test shot. Okay. Now we're gonna, we pre-attach these, so we're gonna set this up on our extensions. We're gonna run this down in the void. Let's see, make sure that, there we go. Okay, let's see here. Going, there we go, keep it going. All right, David, go ahead. Release the safety.
Too much.
All right, go ahead. Keep going. Oh, we got great flow. Extracted 6 inches. 6 inches. Right there. Oh, perfect. 6 inches. Great job. Phenomenal.
Doug, I'm so pleased with this. For the past 2 years, I can't tell you how many times I have thought about just filling this in with dirt. And for $535 roughly worth of product, we solved a problem. So I appreciate GRA Services very much. This has turned out beautiful. The product worked great, both in the application of the pour and the spray, and it has strengthened the side of the fiberglass on my pool. It has secured the plumbing fixtures. It has just done everything you promised it would do, and I'm just so pleased as a homeowner that that it looks this way. We're going to put 1 more gallon in to top this off and smooth it out, and then we'll be done. Man, thank you very much.
You're welcome, David. It's been a great day, and this is what keeps us going and keeps us excited. When it's overmixed, it comes out as a froth or as a expanding foam, and it kind of stays where you pour it.
This has been a very successful project. I'm very pleased with it. This will support the combined foams over 10,000 pounds of weight per square foot. And at this point, we'll top it off with dirt and re-pour concrete on my deck, and we'll be finished. The manufacturer, Doug, gave me another great idea. I'm concerned on my other returns on the pool about some voids behind them. And without having to cut a lot of concrete out, I'm going to drill a 1-inch hole behind them, use the spray foam to put down in there and fill that void so I don't have future problems with it. Real excited about that next part of this project. Glad this one's almost over. Doug, again, thank you very much.
Oh, David, this has been fun.
It has been fun.
Well, folks, this is another conclusion to another successful project with the Secure Set. Great opportunity to show you the combination of using the mix and pour along with the spray foam. David did most of the work. Honestly, you know, we were just coaching a little bit, but all of this is very easily done by a homeowner as he is, and we just appreciate the opportunity to be out here to help and to successfully solve this issue with him. Thanks again. Another great day with Secure Set.